The truth is in the pudding. You will taste the food. What do you think?
Succulent, full of flavor. There's layers happening in my tongue. There's like this thing popping right now. Juicy. I just tasted lamb. Absolutely exquisite. Tender. It is delicious. Thank you. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you very much, Antonio. It's about to go down, people.
About to go down here. Okay, so you can start with whatever you want. Okay, a little olive oil. Right there. That's good. And then we got rice vinegar or red wine vinegar. The vinegar takes away the wildness. Then I like soy sauce. Fresh ground pepper. Okay. Then we got oregano. That's important.
Oh, smell that. Oh, get that in your nostril. Get it in.
Okay, if you want, you can put a little chili peppers in it.
Heat it up a bit.
Then, oh yeah, this is a secret formula right here.
Oh, I know what that is.
Yeah,
You won't tell me.
you put that in there.
Look at that. We're not telling you what that was, people.
Later.
A pizza resistance.
It comes with vino. It's vino, wine, red wine. Okay.
Drink it up, Lammy.
Okay, and then, let's see.
You can leave that out. It's my birthday.
Huh?
You leave that bottle of wine out. It's my birthday.
Okay, see, in Sicily when we didn't have brushes for doing it, we use salad stick like this to best the food. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, also, we need some salt. Some salt.
Oh, wait, get it. Dash.
That's it.
Life is just so good.
And if you want, you can put some lemon to it.
Get it. Wait.
Yeah, that's there. That's there.
Can I taste my fingers?
Yeah. At the end, then you might put some salt on the lamb and put some on
Oh
top.
my gosh.
Okay, good?
It's already there, money.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Oh, same thing. The mushrooms. The mushroom, Portobello mushrooms. You can use this juice to pour on you
Okay.
after you wash them. Then you put them on the barbecue like this, so the juice stays in and they cook with it slowly. And then before you turn them, you take and you put them in a plate and flip the juice out. Then you put them upside down. And then when they cook upside down, you put the juice back in.
Go in.
Got it?
Good. So
Ready?
we're back.
All right. Okay, we're gonna take some of the juice here, which you can use for many purposes, and put it right in the mushroom.
Oh.
And then I'm gonna go put them on the barbecue. Wow, looks like some kind of planet. Well, that's a cool shot, man.
I think I'm watering. Okay, the word is salivated. Go ahead, sir. Do your bidding. All right.
A barbecue. Take this. And you put them right there. And then close this.
How long? What temperature?
It's high right now. I got this 2 burners going over both of them.
Mellow.
But then I'm gonna lower a little bit. I have to keep an eye on it.
Up your paws. Come on.
I already cooked them on the other side, this side, and then I put the juice in here, and then now I'm gonna put them up here to stay warm enough to cook. Because they're already cooking. In a little while, I'm gonna put the juice back. Okay, so the lamb, I already washed them, and I trimmed some of the fat off. So we're gonna put it right there without any solution, salt or nothing. You put salt on it, it's gonna throw all the blood out. And then it's gonna be dry.
Wow, when you say it like that, it feels kind of cannibalistic.
Usually, if you try to pick it up, okay. Usually the blood comes up. But see, stock, it sticks, still not ready. This one's almost ready. Another
Wait,
couple
when it
minutes.
sticks, it's ready?
No, when you try to lift it and it's still sticking, it's
Not
not
ready.
ready.
Gotcha.
Usually it's ready when the blood comes up to the top. But we'll see. It might not in this case.
These look clean.
Yeah, now I'm gonna turn this baby over here like this. But meanwhile, I'm gonna dip it. Just like in that juice. And then we're gonna put it back on there. This one the same way. Okay. There you go. I'm gonna take these guys out because they're gonna push mine. And then I'll put it back. I'll put the cheese in the cream, okay? And we close it again. Only maybe 5 minutes will be ready.
All right.
I think they're done. They're done.
So,
I'm not sucking this juice in there. Cheers, happy birthday. Bring the wine.
cheers.
Just gets it going, the vibration, the colors.